Yeah, so for you guys to learn cha-cha-cha, you have to remember a building blocks of this dance. So we have a chasses and we have a steps. Okay, so let's go through the chasses first. Yeah, chasses first. So number one, we have to learn side chasses. So it looks like this. You go side, together, side. So basically cha-cha-cha. So you go side, together, side. Cha-cha-cha. So it's a three-step. Cha, 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 and cha, 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 and cha, 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 and cha, 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 and. So this is called side chasse. So if we in cha-cha music go cha-cha-cha, that's what we can do to the side. Okay, so the next forward lock step. So it looks like this. You're going forward, then you have a Latin cross position, crossing on the ball of the foot, and then you have a step forward. Again, cha, cha, cha. So let's try it again. So you go cha, cha, cha. Or we can do another like the same. Cha, cha, cha. So that's already two types of chasse. We know how to do to the side. Cha, cha, cha. Other side, cha, cha, cha. And now we know how to go forward. Cha, cha, cha. So this is called forward chasse, or simple name, forward lock step. Now same we can do a backward lock step. Let's take our left leg back. We go cha on the ball of the foot, no heel down, cha, and you see we get this crossing Latin cross position, and we have a exit one. So do the same from the other leg. You go cha, cha, cha. So now we have already four types of chasse. We can go to the side, cha, cha, cha to the right. We can go to the left, cha, cha, cha. We can go forward, cha, cha, cha. We can go backward, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. So this is four already, the most basic. Now next one, that's what I was explaining the other day. It's called Ronde chasse. So it looks like this. You go check 2, and you do Ronde 3 with a little bit high hip. 3, and then you have cha, ball of the foot, cha, 2 ball of the foot, 1. So it's called Ronde chasse. So when music play cha-cha-cha, you can go T, 3, cha-cha-cha. So you can do with the Ronde, cha-cha-cha. So Ronde chasse. And we started from the check 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. This is a Ronde chasse. Now the next one, what we can do is a hip twist chasse, hip twist. So it's also on the music of cha-cha-cha. We can do twist cha with a 90-degree, close our feet together, cha, and then push to the side, cha, cha-cha-cha with the hip twist chasse. And cha, cha, cha. So it's how with the hip twist you go. And cha, cha, cha. So let's repeat all the chasse. So we know how to go side, cha, cha, cha. We know how to go other side, cha, cha, cha. We know how to go forward, cha, cha, cha. We know how to cha-cha back, cha, cha, cha. We know how to Ronde chasse, Ronde, cha, cha, cha. And we know how to hip twist chasse, cha, cha, cha. So those all cha-cha chasses. Okay, there's another one. It's called sleep chasse. It's mainly used for men, not like very much used for women. So it looks like this. You send your leg back, cha with the high hip, bring your leg under, cha, and then you change your weight, 1. So you go cha, 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 sleep chasse. And now if you combine your chasses with the walks, you can learn all the basics of cha-cha. And if you can buy walks and chasses together, you can do any type of choreography. So for example, what kind of walks we have? We have a rock steps, right? We have a rock step. So if we combine rock step and cha-cha to the side, cha-cha, we get a basic box, basic cha-cha box, the same. Rock step, cha-cha side. Rock step, cha-cha side. We also can go rock, step, cha-cha back and forth. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Rock, step. Also, what kind of walks we have? We can have a normal walks. Let's say if we can do walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. And this is going to be progressive basic. So we go walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. The same can go backward. Let's go backward. we're going walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. For example, if we combine just forward chasse, back to back. Zachary, can you help? Thank you. Getting it? Yeah? Because before I was trying to teach you a routine, you have to know the building blocks. That makes a big difference when you know building blocks. Like the shirt? Isn't cool? Just the fabric is not my favorite, but the shirt is.
Okay. So this is part of it or not?
What?
The kisses.
What do you mean?
Yeah. They are part. Are they part of the shirt or are they custom made? Custom
No.
kisses. Right.
It's Igor.
I love the shade. What is
That's
it?
why I came late. You know, we were
Is
upstairs.
it MAC,
Yeah.
Chanel, YSL?
What is it?
I love the color.
Revlon.
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 Maybelline.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, if we combine 3 consecutive chasse together, we get 3 cha-cha back, 3 cha-cha front. So let's say 3 cha-cha front. So you have a cha, 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 cha. If you do 3 cha-cha back to back backward, it's going to look like this. 3 cha-cha back. Cha, 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 cha. Now, if we repeat cha-cha on the same leg, it's called continuous cha-cha. Looks like this. Cha, 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 or on other leg. Cha, 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 cha. Continuous lockstep. Okay, so for example, you know all of this, you can do any choreography. For example, we start like this. We do hip twist chasse first. We go cha, cha, cha. This will be beginning. Just I'll teach you how to create, let's say, cool choreography, knowing only this. So you start with the hip twist. You go cha, cha, cha. Then you do rock, step. Rock, step. You do cha-cha back, cha, cha, back. Then you go rock, step. You go cha, cha, front, cha, cha, front, cha, cha, front. And then you're doing ronde chasse. Step, cha, cha, 1. So it looks like a fancy routine, but it's in a way a combination of these steps only, right? So go 2, 3, cha, 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 rock, step, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 ronde, cha, cha, 1. And that's how, let's say, professionals, they remember choreography very fast because they're like, okay, 3 locks, 1 continuous, run the hip twist with the turn. So this is how like professional, they look at it like in 5 seconds, they already know routine because they know building blocks. Got it? And we just can recombine them. For example, we can do something else. We can start with the ronde chasse, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And then we can go rock, step, rock, step. Then we can do continuous cha-cha. Cha, 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 cha. Then we can go rock, step, and do 3 cha-cha back. Cha, cha, back. Cha, cha, back, add a little bit body, cha, back. Then we're doing rock, step, finishing with the hip twist, cha-cha again. So it's just combining those already cool, endless possibilities, how you can combine. Okay, so this is cha-cha building blocks.